see it with the eye, teeth from here. He wilding on that little shit.
Oh, yeah. GT1000. This shit is nice. Old school shit. Shock. I gotta get this helmet. Match my bike. Uh-huh. XSR 900. Uh-huh, another one. They're brothers. That's a Leo Benz. I had that exhaust. Oh, Maushi had that exhaust, yeah. Retso. Nice. Who, him? That's cool, bro. That's cool.
My cousin's dying on the way.
Huh?
She died on the way here. She got bored.
Yeah. Yeah, this is cool. You took it like
Fucking zip ties and bubblegum, man.
took it far?
What's
How
that?
far? How far?
Yeah, Bay Ridge.
Looks real comfortable.
It's all right, you know, because I'm blocking the way.
Yeah.
You know, it's okay.
Yeah,
I do
yeah.
it usually, like, I do it when my bikes have the backrest. I usually
Exactly.
tie it to the backrest.
Uh-huh.
But this one is just a little, you know,
Exactly. It's flimsier.
it's all right.
Like this in the wind when you hit
All good.
6th gear.
I didn't get pulled over. I was surprised.
Exactly. But they know it's the holiday. They know it's the holiday. Yeah, it's the holiday. This shit is fucking hard. It's the Z. That's just crazy. God, this shit is butter. First time seeing a Z in person. That's nice. And it got chrome rims. That's nice. MT next to the FZ. Uh-huh. Go fast, don't die though. Do not die. This is a nice lid too. I'm mad I broke all of my nice lids. Uh-huh. 400. Where? Oh, you said Lambo? That's that R6. Enduro 800. That was nice, Enduro. Dipped on it. Should have let me see it first. 10er, 700. I say he had a nice Enduro. He should have let me see it first. He left. That cat is nice. Catty. Come on. Brembo brakes. It's nice. I want to see the Jane motorcycle. Oh, you do? Butter. Need to get me some Brembos. Sheesh. This shit is butter. This shit butter. Street triple.